Hey guys, it's Yvette and I am here to share with you Vlogmas days 17 and 18. I know I've been MIA for a little bit, so we're going to do a little bit of catch up today, and it's probably going to be just a short and sweet little video where I open up the advent calendars so you can see what I received on those days and so that I can see what I received on those days. But the first thing I want to do is ask you pretty please, with a whipped cream and cherry on top, if you would consider subscribing to my channel. And you can even ring the bell and they'll let you know every time I have a new video, so you don't want to miss it, right? Just say right. It's okay. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go ahead and get the cotton cuts opened first. Why don't we? Of course, I had something on top of the cotton cuts, so I had to scooch it over. Here is the cotton cuts box. I'm sure it looks familiar to you by now. And let's go. Okay, so first, day 17. This would have been Friday. Today is actually Sunday, December 19th, and it's my baby sister's birthday, so happy birthday, T. And let's get the 17th open. Okay. The canvas is never blank. It is full of opportunities. I like that. That's very true. And oh my goodness, here is the fabric for today, and I love it. This is, if I'm not mistaken, this is Libs Elliott. I think it's from her Dear Diary, but I could be wrong. Okay, it is Libs Elliott, and it just says party time, so I'm not sure, but I think that that is part of her Dear Diary, but that part I could be wrong on. But this is definitely Libs Elliott. It's definitely a bright teal, and I love it. Okay, now let's see what I got yesterday, which is the 18th day of Vlogmas. And then Jellybean's gonna come over. He's trying to make sure I'm doing it right. Right, JB? Making sure Mommy's doing it right? Yeah. And he's gonna not come in the camera so that you'll think I'm talking to nobody. Hey, buddy. Well, you can at least hear him walking around, right? Okay. Beautiful things come together one stitch at a time. That is very true as well. Very philosophical. Okay. This, I remember now that this is totally, and I'm not going to be able to see the selvage, am I? This is apparently Alison Glass, and I had no idea. I think the first one that we got similar to this, I said that it was Juicy Juice. I don't know if I got that from Cotton Cuts or if I got it from Crimson Tate at this point. I don't remember because I'm getting so many fat quarters, but I love this color. You guys, if you would see it, it is like this. It's this very vibrant violet color, and it's gorgeous in person. I doesn't look like you can really tell on the camera, and it's like a deep blue to violet. It's gorgeous. Okay, so that is the 18th and the 19th. Sorry, that's the 17th and the 18th. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think I've got the 19th on my mind because today really is the 19th. But I'm going to be making that video next. I'm not going to like scooch them all into one because that's just not right. Okay, and now we have Alison Glass. This is her sticker advent calendar. And I am looking for the 17th. And where is it? There is no 17th. Oh, it's up here, but it's like it's already open. I don't know. It probably just accidentally got cracked or something. Okay, so let's get it open. Oh, look how cute, guys. It's like a circle with a pair of scissors in it. That's cute. Okay, and now day 18. And I did see that. I saw them like a couple times as I was going around. Where is it? Oh, there it is. So here is 18. which is pretty darn close to the 17. There it is. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. Look, it's a little cupcake. That's one of my favorite ones so far. I'm loving that one. Okay, so that is the 17th and the 18th days of Vlogmas. And now we have our Crimson Tate. So let's get this one open. I have my big old thing of goldfish right there. Okay, here is day 17. There's a goodie in there. I can feel it. Okay, we have another bobbin guy. Where you put the bobbin up here and your spool of thread here. See, boop, and it holds it. That's cool. I'm gonna keep those in there. And I'm getting terrified to even guess what anything is anymore, but I love this. Let's see. Selvage? Yes? No? Maybe so? That would be a no. I mean, I want to say that it's Juicy Juice, but I'm probably wrong. I don't know, but I really like it. It is this bright blue. It's very, very pretty. And the fat quarter to go with it is equally as gorgeous and blue. Love that deep blue. Jellybean, what are you doing? You can't climb in there. He's trying to get that little bobbin thing out. You can't climb in there, baby. Well, I mean, you could, but I'd really like for you not to right now. Okay, and then we have day 18. Are you going to help me with this one? It's the last one, buddy. He's like, nope, you're on your own. I don't know what he's doing over there. He's a little kook. Ooh, Alison Glass. Ooh. So, got another one of these guys. You know all about those. And here is the Sunprint 2021. This is one of the hydrangeas. I don't remember exactly which color this is. No selvage. That's okay. I do know that it's one of, or is it a Tuesday? It's a Tuesday. Maybe it's Hydrangea Tuesday. I don't remember. Anyways, it's gorgeous. And look, we've got this lovely purple to go with it. And it picks up that little purple right there. Oh my goodness. Excellent choice. I'm loving it. Okay. So we've had a couple of Vlogmas days. I'm trying to play catch up a little bit here. So you will be seeing me again in the same clothing for day 19. Right, JB? You going to have your same clothes on? You going to go make a change? What do you think? I think he's going to keep the same thing on. So we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for coming and watching. I totally appreciate it. Mwah.